Hello everyone, my name is Vanessa from Formplus, and I am going to teach you how to use the document merge feature. What is the document merge feature? The document merge feature is a tool that lets you populate invoices, contract documents, or receipts with the responses from your forms. It saves you time and resources of having to create a document for every single response, because each document is automatically generated for every response, which can be emailed to you or any member of your team. To start using this feature, first log into your Formplus account. Go to your dashboard. After you have created your form or used any of our templates, click Settings, scroll down, and click on Document Merge. Click on Download a sample document template. After the sample document template has been downloaded, you can edit the document, which means you can add your company logo or any information you would like on your document. Please remember not to edit the tags that are contained in brackets. You can only edit the internal ID for each field that's on your form. When you are done editing, save the edited template, return to the document merge page of your form on Formplus, and upload the edited template. Please note that the uploaded document will show up on the document merge table. The document merge table consists of 4 columns, which are Document. This displays the name of the documents that have been uploaded. Date added. This displays the date that the document was added. Used in this indicates the notification type where the document is being used. The document can be used in both email notifications and autoresponders. When you are done, click on Next and your form is ready to share. Thank you for watching.